The ground is hard. We chose this poem because it is very relevant to the times now, though these verses were written many years ago. But Dutty Tuff means not just that the ground is hard, but the times are hard. So it's rain or fall, but Dutty Tuff. The rain is falling, but the ground is hard. And Dutty is not just a corruption of the word dirty. It's a real African word, D-O-T, Dutty, which means the ground, Dutty Tuff. Sun a shine, but things not bright. Do a pot a boil, bickle not enough. River flood, and rain a fall. Rain a fall, but Dutty Tuff. Nowadays, the times so hard, when you ask Maddie how them do, them afraid you take it, tell them back, so them no answer you. No care how much we da work for hard times, still in our shot. We da fight, our time a beat we. They might raise we wages, but £1 gone and pound we pay and we no feel no merriment. For £10 gone and pound we food and £10 pound we rent. Saltfish gone up, mackerel gone up, beef and pork gone up same way. And when rice and butter ready, them just go up a holiday. Cloth, boot, pin and needle gone up. Ice bread taxes, water rate, kerosene, oil, gasoline gone up. And the pound devaluate. The price of bread gone up so high that we have to agree to cut we hype and bread and all turn dumpling refugee. And all them Margaret Smaddy, whether go on like fatty sin, all them they whether fast with me. I left them to dumpling. Sun a shine and pot a boil, but things are bright. Bickle not enough. River flood, rain a fall, but water scarce and Dutty Tuff. Oh, yeah.
Miss Lou, that could really have been written today. When did you write that, in fact?
Nearly 40 years ago. You remember, you notice I use pound?
Yes.
Because in those days, we used